We're going to troubleshoot those pesky pyqt5 not found, pyqt5.sip not found, and pyqt5.qtwidgets not found import errors in Python. These errors pop up when Python can't locate the pyqt5 library files it needs to run your code. Let's fix that. 1. Verify pyqt5 installation. The most obvious first step is to check if pyqt5 is actually installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip show pyqt5. If pyqt5 is installed, you'll see information about its version and location. If you get an error message like no matching distribution found, then pyqt5 isn't installed. 2. Installing pyqt5. If pyqt5 isn't installed, use pip to install it. Open your terminal and run pip install pyqt5. Make sure you're using a suitable Python environment. Virtual environments are highly recommended. This command downloads and installs the main pyqt5 package and its dependencies. Sometimes you might need to use pip3 instead of pip, depending on your system's configuration. You might even need to use sudo pip3 install pyqt5 if you have permission restrictions, though using a virtual environment avoids this need often. 3. Checking the Python path. Even if pyqt5 is installed, Python might not know where to find it. Python uses a system called the path to locate libraries. If the location where pyqt5 is installed isn't on Python's path, you'll encounter import errors. The exact way to check and modify your Python path depends on your operating system and how you installed Python. You can search online for Add to Python Path, followed by your OS, e.g., Add to Python Path Windows, Add to Python Path Mac OS. This usually involves adding the directory containing pyqt5 to your system's environment variables. If you've installed pyqt5 in a virtual environment, activating the environment will automatically set the path correctly. 4. Reinstalling pyqt5. If you've already tried installing pyqt5 and it still isn't working, try uninstalling it and reinstalling it. Uninstall with pip uninstall pyqt5 and then reinstall with pip install pyqt5. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted installations. Be sure to uninstall using the same pip command you used for installation, pip or pip3. 5. Using a virtual environment. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies, preventing conflicts between different projects using different versions of libraries. Creating a virtual environment and installing pyqt5 there is often the cleanest solution. To create a virtual environment, use Python 3 m venv.venv. Replace .venv with your preferred name. Then activate the environment using source venv-bin activate on Linux Mac OS or .venv scripts activate on Windows. Install pyqt5 within this activated environment. 6. SIP issues. The pyqt5.sip not found error specifically relates to the SIP module, which is a crucial part of pyqt5. If you encounter this error, double-check that pyqt5 was successfully installed with all its dependencies. Reinstalling pyqt5 or using a virtual environment should usually solve this problem. If these steps don't work, consider checking if your Python version is compatible with pyqt5. The compatibility is typically well documented on the pyqt5 website. 7. Qt issue. The pyqt5.qtwidgets not found error implies that the Qt module isn't accessible, which is a key component for creating graphical user interfaces with pyqt5. Again, carefully check the pyqt5 installation and ensure that it is complete and in a location discoverable by Python. Virtual environments and correcting your Python path are effective solutions here too. If you still have trouble after trying these steps, provide details about your operating system, Python version, how you installed pyqt5, and the exact error messages you're receiving for more specific help. Remember to always refer to the official pyqt5 documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information.